Welcome EBO Pro community. In this video, we're going to walk you through the basics of navigating the EBO Pro app. After you log in, you'll be on the EBO Pro dashboard. Before we go over the dashboard, we want to go over the basic parts of EBO Pro. Across the top, first you have your menu button. When you click on this, it will give you other options on how to navigate the site. Next, you will find your company name. Following it, you have the notification button. And last, you have your account button that looks like a little person. In this menu, you will see My Account and Logout. If this is the first time logging in, please go to My Account and verify your information. In the body of this page, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard is a summary of what you have done over this week and the last 2 weeks. You can use this to jump to a given week or directly add a trip to a week. In this video, we'll be going through the menu button. So first, you will be clicking on the menu button, go to the trip log, then trip log again. This will show you, for the week, everything you have entered as driven. At the end of each day, be sure to enter everything you drove. For this video, we're going to focus on the functions you can use on your trip log. First, you have a plus button to add a new trip. Next, you have a print button if you need to print it out. You also have an export button if you need to send your log to someone. And last, you have your date bar where you can go back a week or forward a week. Inside your driver log, you will also see 3 vertical dots. These are additional menus with options for you to use. For example, the menu button at the top of the driver log allows you to copy all your records for the week, while the menu on a trip gives you different ways to modify that trip. In addition to the menu button on the left, there are also easy buttons on the right. These easy buttons allow you to copy the group day, day and truck, day, truck, and route. There is also an add button that will create a new trip with the same day, day and truck, day, truck, and route. The last thing we want to cover is the difference between light rows and gray rows. The light rows are the start of the entry. The gray rows are more details about the entry. This allows you to see all the important information in a single glance. And that is how you navigate EBO Pro. If you have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, or if you know of a tutorial that you'd like to see, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.